Hi again, thanks for joining me, Cassandra Starr, on this episode of Dynamic Discoveries. Today's topic is the discovery of a new exoplanet. Let's dive in. Astronomers discover habitable exoplanet only 31 light years from Earth. What is an exoplanet? Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system. Most orbit other stars, but free-floating exoplanets, called rogue planets, orbit the galactic center and are untethered to any star. The study of exoplanets is an active area of research in astrophysics and seeks to answer questions about the formation and evolution of planetary systems, the potential for habitability, and the diversity of planetary populations in the galaxy. Advances in technology have enabled the detection of thousands of exoplanets, many of which have unique characteristics that challenge our understanding of planetary formation and evolution. Although astronomers have discovered more than 5,000 exoplanets, less than 200 of them are rocky on the surface. This discovery of a newly observed terrestrial exoplanet means we are better at detecting such things. Astronomers are calling this new planet Wolf 1069b. In a new study, a team of 50 astronomers from around the world have confirmed the existence of exoplanet Wolf 1069b, which orbits a red dwarf star named Wolf 1069, only 31 light years from Earth. What makes this discovery particularly intriguing is that Wolf 1069b is potentially a rocky world, about 1.26 times the mass of Earth and 1.08 times the size. Wolf 1069b also orbits in its star's habitable zone, making it a prime candidate for liquid water to potentially exist on its surface. However, unlike Earth, this exoplanet orbits the star within 15 days at a distance equivalent to 1/15 of the separation between the Earth and the Sun. For context, the planet Mercury, which is the closest planet to our Sun, has an orbitable period of 88 days. Unlike Mercury, Wolf 1069b lies within its star's habitable zone despite its much shorter orbital period of 15 days. This is because its star is a red dwarf star, meaning it's much smaller than our Sun, and Wolf 1069b receives approximately 65% of the solar radiance that Earth receives. This improves its prospects for habitability, with relatively desirable surface temperatures that range between minus 139.27 degrees Fahrenheit and 55.13 degrees Fahrenheit. This is all dependent on what side of the planet you're on. One unique feature of Wolf 1069b is that it is tidally locked to its parent star, meaning one side is always in daylight and the opposite side is always in darkness. While tidal locking means the planet doesn't have a day-night cycle like Earth, the researchers suspect that its day side could still boast habitable conditions. This latest discovery of Wolf 1069b was made possible by the Carmenes instrument on the 11.5-foot or 3.5-meter telescope at the Calar Alto Observatory in Spain. Carmenes can observe astronomical objects using two separate spectrographs in both the visual and near-infrared channels. The instrument discovered Wolf 1069b using the exoplanet detection method known as radial velocity, which detects small wiggles in a star's location caused by a planet's gravity. The published scientific paper also notes that despite not transiting, Wolf 1069b is nonetheless a very promising target for future three-dimensional climate models to investigate various habitability cases. Astronomers hope one day to use tools like the James Webb Telescope to understand climates on distant exoplanets. The search for exoplanets with conditions that could support life remains a major focus of exoplanetary research and continues to be an exciting and rapidly evolving field in astrophysics. Discoveries of thousands of exoplanets has expanded our understanding of the diversity of planetary systems and the potential for habitability beyond our solar system. As technology continues to improve, we can expect even more exciting discoveries in the future, providing us with a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. That concludes today's episode. Thank you for joining me in our exploration of the discovery of a new exoplanet. See you next time here on Dynamic Discoveries.